Exterior, I'm out. Maxine's house. By the mailbox. Day. Maxine is looking at her mail.
Hey, sexy! Lovely day.
I'm not in the mood for your foolishness today, TK.
Oh, come on, you know you're a sexy thing, girl. Let me rub those pretty legs.
Get away from me.
Come on, Max, let me suck on those toes. You know you got some pretty feet. See, I'm a toe man myself.
You know you sound just like those freaks on the sex line.
Ooh, you working the sex line? I'll pay anything to have you talk dirty to me. I'll be your slave.
Get away from me. I got enough problems.
And I'm trying to solve them. Come on. Stop being so hard on me.
You don't want me. Stop playing.
Playing? Man, all my friends want you. But I told them, you my wifey to be.
No, look, you lie like a rug, and I ain't about to do that again. So, your friends like him thick.
Yeah. More, motion in the ocean. Look, any man that tell you he don't like a woman with more pushing than pushing, they lying. Straight up lying.
Well, not according to my ex-husband.
Your ex-husband is a jackass. Brother jackass, his mama jackass. Matter of fact, the whole damn generation is jackass.
That's funny.
Come on. You know you want me.
You know what I do want? I want a drink.
See, your every wish is my desire.
That was only true. Do you really think men like bigger women?
Yeah, all my friends, I got a crew.
You think they'd be interested in coming to a party to meet beautiful big women?
How can I get a private party?
Look, come on, stop playing. This is serious. I got an idea. So, how deep is your crew?
Deep as the Atlantic.
Look, I got an idea. And if this works, I'll consider dinner.
Oh, tell me what I gotta do.
No, easy, slug, easy. We'll talk.